Nityanandam folks, this is Manitya Shantananda Swami. Welcome to my video channel called Kalpataru. I would like to introduce myself to you. I'm a sannyasi of the Nityananda order. My guru is Paramahamsa Shri Nityananda Swamiji. In this series of videos, I would like to talk to you, share with you about the conflicts that we all face in life. I have been living with Swamiji for the past 12 years, since 2005, and there's a lot that I have learned from his teachings, from him, watching him, seeing the way he handles things. So living with an avatar is amazing by itself. So whatever I have learned and imbibed from him, I would like to share with you. Many people ask me, why did you choose this life as a sannyasi? Many people think sannyas means sannyas is giving up a lot in life. They think sannyas is very difficult path where you have to give up your desires, you have to give up your freedom, you have to give up your family and friends. So there's a lot of wrong ideas that's associated with sannyas. I would like to correct those wrong ideas as well as share with you all the other things that Swamiji has been teaching us. Many people ask me, why did you choose this life of sannyas? Several things actually. I have been, before I joined the ashram, I was working as a software engineer, software consultant rather, in New York City in the US. And while I was living there, I had everything. I had a beautiful family. I have a beautiful family who supports me and is completely aligned and believes and also follows Swamiji and his teachings. I used to live as a software consultant, had everything I wanted, lot of money, good friends, a wonderful family. But there was something missing in my life. I kept looking for it for a long time actually. One of the reasons that I went to the US was exactly the same thing. I kept looking and looking and looking for that something that was missing in my life. I thought traveling all around the world, seeing how other people live, enjoying life, traveling all over the world would help me to fulfill that deep emptiness that I would feel inside. So as a software consultant, I got the chance to travel all over the world. Only one thing, once I started traveling and seeing different places, talking to different people, I realized that life was the same for people wherever they were living, wherever they lived. Even if they lived in the US or Europe or India, people are people. Everybody is stuck with the mind. So how do you get freedom from this mind, which is always torturing you, asking you for something more, something more, something more all the time? My quest for freedom from this mind led me to Swamiji. I went to several ashrams, several different places where they taught meditation, but nothing clicked until I met Swamiji. As soon as I met Swamiji, I knew I had met my guru. The first thing I did was quit my job, move to Los Angeles where Swamiji has an ashram, so has an adinam there. So I just moved there, and since then life has been exciting, has been very thrilling, has been very adventurous. I would like to share with you all these adventures that I have encountered through my journey. So today I would like to stop here, finishing with my introduction to you. So the one program that helped me to get rid of this mind, we always have this wrong idea that we need to fight with the mind, but the truth is we have to drop the mind. There is a program called Inner Awakening that is being conducted by Swamiji in the ashram. So this is the one program that has helped me to um, actually, I think that is the one and only program that can help anybody in this whole world to drop the mind and rediscover oneself. So we all think that we are the mind. We associate ourselves with our thoughts and our mind. We do not know that there is a life which we can live without the mind also. So if you like to know more about this program, please do write to me, message me, or call me. You can message me down there in the comment section. So until the next video, Nithyanandam.